Hello. Hope all of you have MSME Udyam certificate, which is mandatory for doing any type of business. If yes, then explore registration in the MSME Data Bank and MSME Global Mart to showcase your products or services across the globe. If you are private limited or limited company with less than 10 years old and turnover below 100 crores, then under startup registration you can get various benefits such as exemption in pre-qualification criteria for tender participation. Manufacturers can get various attractive benefits under NSIC. You can get free tender documents, an EMD exemption, subsidy on domestic and international exhibitions, and finance assistance schemes for raw material purchase, and so on. For manufacturers, another is Z certification, which is offered on fulfillment of parameters such as, for getting bronze certification 5 parameters to be complied. For silver certification, 14 parameters to be complied. And for gold certification, 20 parameters to be complied. If you wish to supply your product or services to Indian Railways and Metro Railways, we provide complete registration support. For supply of certain products to railways, may need RDSO Lucknow registration. So, for all these registrations, we provide complete hand-holding support from starting till getting registration. For growing your business, you need to participate in government sector PSU tenders, and for the same you need to register on various tendering portals. Do you know how you can get orders by participating tenders on various tendering portals? Are there? For Maharashtra state, Mahatender, which covers starting from Gram Panchayat, Jilla Parishad, municipal corporations, police department, and so many. Similarly, each state have their own tendering portals. Customers who have national presence all over India, for them Central Public Procurement Portal is there. There are also specific customer tendering portals. And newly launched Government e-Marketplace. Benefits of registering on GEM portal. The main benefit of registering on GEM portal is that you can get direct order from 25,000 rupees to 5 lakhs by single bid tender. To know more about us, visit our website. Check out our customers' Google review and call or WhatsApp 9967578211.